Hello guys, today we will discuss about the polynomials. So in mathematics, the polynomial is an algebraic expression which consists of variables, exponents and coefficients. So how it can be represented, I'll show you over there. It is written as fx n minus 1 x to the power n minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 and so on up to a to the power 0. So it is represented like this. So each individual is called as terms over there, and in this case this a is a constant and it's a real number, and x is in this case it's a variable, and this n is exponent, which we call as degree also, degree of the variable. And this should be the primary condition for this is it should be positive whole number integer. So this is the condition. If it is not positive whole number integer, so then this equation could not be is called as polynomial. So I'll describe the equation like this: 7x to the 4, 3x cube, 12x square, 8x plus 9. So this type of equation is called as polynomial. In this equation, this 7 number here, it is the coefficient of this polynomial. X over here is a variable, and this 4, 3, 2, these are the degrees, or we'll call it exponent also. So further I'll discuss with this equation. Seven x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 8x square plus 12x plus 9. So this is a polynomial equation, and I'll tell you different type of polynomials. One is the monomial which has got one term. Another is binomial which has got two terms. Monomial, suppose 6 is also just like this is one term, so 6 is also a term, like x square or 6x by. So these are all individual terms. So the polynomial equation having only one term is called as monomial. Binomial, which has got two terms, just like 2x plus 3 or x square plus 9. So these are the binomial. Another one is trinomial. Polynomial equation having three terms. Just like in quadratic equation, we can say x square 12x plus 6. So it has got three terms, that's it's called a trinomial. Though all are polynomials, polynomial having one term is monomial, polynomial having 2 terms binomial, polynomial having 3 terms is trinomial. So this is the type of the polynomials. Now we will discuss with this equation. I told you earlier also, suppose we have got this 7x to the power 4. In 7x to the power 4, this is called as coefficient. This x is a variable and this 4 over here is exponent, or you can call the degree also or power also. Power of. So if we have to find out what is the degree of this polynomial, in that case the maximum degree available over here in this equation is the degree of the polynomial. So we can say, see over here, this x has got 4 power and this x cube, this x square, this x1. Here we say it's x0 power. So 4 is the maximum power in this polynomial. So we can then the degree of this polynomial is 4. Another thing, suppose examiner asks one question, what is the coefficient of x square? So we can see this is the x square term. This 8 is the coefficient of x square. So answer will be 8 is the coefficient of x square. In x cube, 3 is the coefficient of the x cube term. So like that, if examiner asks any of the things, you can tell. And one more thing which I told you earlier. So this exponent or the degree, it should be positive whole number integer. This is mandatory. Otherwise, if it is not positive whole number integer, so it cannot be called as a polynomial. For I'll take an example. Suppose you have equation so in this equation you can see this x is under root. This is equal to x to the power 1/2, which is not a whole number positive integer. So that's why we cannot call this as a polynomial. It's not a polynomial in that case. I'll take one more example. This equation 3x square plus under root 2x plus 3. Can we call this a polynomial? Of course, we can call it a polynomial because this variable has got a positive exponent here. This also positive and here also 0. So these are the all positive whole number integers. So that's why it could be called as a polynomial. In the last, we will discuss one more thing, the classification of polynomial. One is linear, second is quadratic, third is cubic, and further so on, all are polynomials with different powers. In linear, 2x plus 3, x has got power only 1. In quadratic, 2x squared 3x plus 2, where the power is maximum power is 2, the degree of the polynomial is 2 here. And cubic, 3x cubed 4x squared plus 2x plus 1. So in this case, The maximum power of the polynomial is 3. That's why it's called a cubic. So and so on, so on. Others further that it could have a power of 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, like that. So all are others are also called as polynomials. So these are the classification, and in the next chapter we'll discuss further a different type of polynomials with the degree, coefficients, how to find out the coefficient, how to find out the degree of the polynomial with different examples. Thank you very much for watching.